Here's how to add a dual clock widget to your Samsung lock screen. Now let's swipe up from here and open up your settings. You can add multiple different clocks on the lock screen of your Samsung phone. It's pretty easy to do when we edit the lock screen. So let's just scroll down until we get to wallpaper and style, and then just tap on your lock screen. You can see here, I just have the normal time in Raleigh, North Carolina, where I live, but I can always set up a dual clock if I wanted to as well. From here, I'm going to tap on the clock here, and you can see it's just the default 1 clock. I'm going to instead tap on style and then swipe over to the multiple different clocks. You'll be able to see it just says local here, but if I tap out of here, and then you'll be able to see add city. Now I can add a city wherever I wanted to. So let's say instead of that, I also want to include London. I can tap on it and hit add. And you can see I can add more cities just by, again, tapping on it. And let's say in this case, I wanted to add Los Angeles. I can tap on add, and I'll be able to have multiple different clocks in multiple different cities directly on the lock screen.